Hey guys, it's me Saja again. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this money using water decals that I have purchased from AliExpress. So if you are interested in seeing that, please keep watching. So as my base color, I decided to use this fuchsia shade from Essence Cosmetics called Anything Goes. And honestly, Essence Cosmetics is one of my favorite nail polishes brand because they have amazing formula. They are so affordable and they have like the best shades, and yeah, I really love their nail polishes. So this is the water decals I'm going to use. I got this from AliExpress and I'll leave the link in my description box. After that, remove the protective film on the sheet of the water decals, then cut out all of the designs that you want to use and make them as small as you can, without ruining the design. I actually think that using water decals is very easy and not complicated at all, and I think it's the easiest way to do a design on your nails without having to go through a complicated steps, for example like stamping or a freehand design. So if you are looking to do something on your nails and you want to do something on your nails without having to do complicated things, I really advise you to try and use water decals because it's very easy to use. So after you have finished cutting out all of the designs that you want to use, grab a small container and put some water in it. You don't have to use room temperature water as when water marbling, so it's up to you. After that, grab the design that you want to use with a tweezer, then dip it into the water for 15 seconds, then take it out of the water. And for this step I prefer to use a stamper, and I just put the design on the stamper, then remove this thing on top of it, and using a stamper will make it easier for me to see where I am putting the design. Then I stamp the design on my nail and apply a glossy top coat. Then I applied my favorite matte top coat, and that's basically it. So as I said before, using water decals is very easy, and you are basically done with this design. I hope you liked this video and I hope that you found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like this kind of videos. And please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see more on my YouTube channel. This is my Instagram account, and as you can see I post there a lot of swatches, nail art and video tutorials. So if you are interested in following me there, please do so. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Please take care. Bye.